Good morning. Today's exercise is access MySQL instance using Workbench and perform CRUD operation in the Workbench. So let me talk about RDS. RDS means it is Relational Database System. It's a fully managed relational database service where we can do database setup, operation, and scaling operation. In addition to that, we can perform all the CRUD operation, start from create, read, update, and delete. These are the steps we need to follow to create one relational database. So let me directly go into the practical demo. So now you can open your RDS, go into the service called RDS. Now in the left hand side you can see something called databases. Click on the database where you need to create a new database. Click on create database where we need to do following configuration, that is database creation method is standard create. Engine type is MySQL, whereas the template you have to choose free tier. Then come down here. The username is admin and the master password is admin. Here the confirm password also admin. Where the instant type is t2.micro, tb.t2.micro. Storage class you can accept as such. And in the connectivity option, please enable your security group, and also public access should be given as yes. In the security group you can choose any one of the security group which is available. Later you have to edit the security group with the all traffic enabled. So what I'm doing, I'm taking this default security group. So later I have to edit the security group whether I have all traffic enabled or not. Then come now. So remaining configuration as such, and click on this additional configuration. Provide your initial database name as MyDB. So that's all, we are done all the configuration. So you don't want this backup, you just disable this. Come now and you can create a database. So now click on this, now you can close this. Click on this database identifier and come down. Now you can see that the endpoint is null as well as the port number also null. It will take about 5 minutes time to create endpoint and port number. So we'll wait for some time. So meantime, So meantime, I will do one thing. Just open your security group by clicking this option and edit your security group. As I already told you, all traffic should be enabled. So go to your security group and click on the security group ID and check your inbound rules whether all traffic this IP version is there or not. If it is not there, I'll tell you what to do. Click on this edit inbound rule. If you don't have this all traffic, then click on add rule. Select the traffic is all traffic. The source is IPv4 and you can save this rule. No need to do any setup in the outbound rule. Only inbound rule is sufficient. Now close the security group and once test your RDS, refresh. Let's see whether endpoint is created or not. Okay, so now the endpoint is created. It is like a URL and the port number is 3306. So now we will try to connect the same with the workbench. So we have to do all the CRUD operation in the MySQL workbench. So if you don't have MySQL workbench, just open and just download the MySQL workbench and the dashboard is look like this. Now go to this database and click on this connect to database where you need to give the connection name. I'm just closing it. Just click on this plus sign where it will ask you the connection name. The connection name is, you can make it as connect 123 and connection type is TCP IP only. Let it be. Then the host name should be your endpoint. Choose your endpoint and replace this. Port number is 3306. Our username is admin. Whereas the password is admin. Click on this vault. Keep it as admin and click OK. Then test your connection. So if you have done all the settings correctly, so you'll get a message as success. Click one more time, test connection. Yes, successfully now connected with your workbench. Now click on OK. OK. Now come down and you can find your MySQL database which is connected with Workbench. Connection name is connect123. Click on this connect123. So which will open SQL editor. It may take 1 minute time. Now, so this is the place where you can keep your queries. Our first query always use followed by MyDB. So why? Because I created my database name with MyDB. So you have to keep the first command as use MyDB. So after save button, there is a execute output, execute tool is there. Click on and execute. So now you see that there is a green tick mark is displayed, which means now it is success. The second command is if you want to create any tables, you can create now. So what I'm doing, I'm taking a simple create command from W3 schools. Take this is a very simple command to create a table. So what it will do is it will create a table with a name, person, with the parameters such as in person ID, last name, first name, address, and city. Similar to that, just click on. Now I'm keeping it as ID simply. Let's see. So okay, now successfully executed. This command is successfully executed. So now table is created. I want to insert something. So here itself I'm doing modification. So that is insert into persons values of here I can directly keep the values. So that is 111 first name and last name. Then Sridhar, comma S, comma the address. I'm keeping it as Vijayawada. Then city as Guntur, and finally you can close. That's all. You can delete all this. That's it. Successfully done. We have now execute this. The command is also executed. So the final command to check your result is that select star from persons. There is a semicolon and executed. Now you can see that. So now it is fetching. Now whatever data you enter, it is available in your database. So that's all for the today's exercise. And similar to that, you can perform all the remaining operation like delete operation, update operation, and read operation. All operation you can perform. Thank you. After completion of this exercise, do not forget to delete your resources. The resources in the sense this database you have to delete. Click on delete, and no need to take any snapshot here. Just to confirm, delete me. Click on acknowledgement and delete it. Thank you. So that's it for today's exercise. We have end up successfully done. Thank you.